Hello, in front of me I have TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the home screen, the current watch face. Now, press and hold on the screen to open the watch face menu, and once you open the watch face menu, you can swipe left and right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Now, find the watch face you like to use on your watch and then tap on it to select it and apply it. Sometimes you will need to allow some permissions for the features on the watch face to work. And here we have the watch face, as you can see. You can also change the watch face through settings on your watch. So you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, then tap on the settings icon. In settings, you can tap on display, and here tap on change watch face. And this will open the watch face menu again, and you can scroll through the list, tap on the watch face you like to select it and apply it, like this. You can also change the watch face through the phone application. So if your watch is paired with a phone, you can basically use the application on the phone to change the watch face. So let's bring our phone right here, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen, like this. Now open the Wear OS application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the device page for your TicWatch Pro 3 Ultra, and you should see the watch faces category. Tap on more to open the whole category. And here we have the list of watch faces we can apply. Find the one you like, tap on it, and the watch face should be applied on your watch, like this. And once you're done, you can close the application. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.